Hi guys, so here we are with the other link, that is file link, that we're going to work on today. I'm going to help you understand what is file link all about and how we can go ahead and create a file link. So what you need to do is, first of all, you would need to come to this create icon, click on the drop down, click on file link. There we go. It says upload your file here. Please note that the maximum file size is 500 MB. Anything above that is not going to accept. So you can go ahead and you can click on any file of your choice that you would like to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this. I'm just going to click on that. In case you want to go ahead and customize link URL for this particular file, you can go ahead and do that. So for the time being, let me just put Chris12. Now I did explain to you about the Facebook Messenger reference URL, how to set a password, add pixel from your social profile. In case you have any pixel in the social profile, you can go ahead and add pixel. Now the tags, I did explain to you that I'm going to help you understand what is tags all about in manage tag video. Once I do that, add description. In case you want to go ahead and add any description for this particular file, you can go ahead and do that. You can also go ahead and add customized redirecting for this particular page, for this particular file. So we just leave it blank. We're not doing that, as I did explain that to you in the shorten link video. Add five icon. Yes, you can go ahead and add five icon, which I did explain earlier. Add preview link. You can go ahead and add a preview link. However, if you do not add and use original, so this is how it's going to look like. Now, if you're going to go ahead and add a preview link, you can go ahead and customize that. You just need to click on the camera icon to upload from your computer. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and pick up Kochi White. So that's going to be my preview link. Okay, so here it is. Now it says add a title. It depends on you, what title would you like to add. So I'm going to go ahead and just ensure I put brand. Now see, once I remove this brand, this is the title that's coming in. Now obviously I don't want such a lengthy title, so I just want a short title. I'm going to go ahead and write brand out here, and that's my titles. You see how it changes out here? Now a description. So I'm going to say, let's say I'm going to make this like my marketing plan, for me to understand that this video is all about, this page is all about marketing, because I want to do marketing and stuff like that. So I'm just going to put a random description, my marketing plan. This description only is to help you understand what file have you uploaded on this particular link. Now it says set access level. You would need to click on that. You can go ahead and add an expiration date, as I explained this to you in the shortened link video. You can go ahead and click on the calendar, and let's say we'll select a date of 31st of October and add that date, so that this file would expire on that particular date in the given time. And then if in case you want to select a redirection page URL after expiration, you can go ahead and select. You can put anything, like for example, if I go ahead and put https www.facebook.com. So once the file expires, it's going to redirect to this Facebook page, because I am putting that as a redirection page URL after the expiration of my file. And I'm going to go ahead and click on create file link. Okay, here's my file link created. Now I want to go ahead and edit this file link, but before that, let me explain once again these five icons that are here. At any given point of time, you can go ahead and you can open this link directly. Like, you just need to click and it takes you to this. It says file download should start now. You see out here the file has already been downloaded, so I have clicked here, and this is the file that I had uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to go ahead and, the second option out here, it says copy. You can copy and you can open a new tab. You can paste it here and you would see the same file will be downloaded. Here's the file that has been downloaded. Okay. Now, the other thing, what we can do, we can edit. So why I would need to edit this? Because we did not set the geolocation. So I will go ahead and edit this file link. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to set access right below add link preview. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go ahead and click on add geolocation from the drop down. When I click on add geolocation, it gives me two options out here. Either I can block all or I can allow all. So let's see, I'll first of all go ahead. If I allow all, what happens? Anyone from any country, if I share my file link with them, they will all have access to this particular file. However, once I go ahead and block all, bang, that gets blocked. Every country, nobody can send me, nobody can view this file. Now, I would like to, go ahead and allow the United States of America to use this file. So, to have access, so I'm going to click here. Once I click here, this geolocation setting gives me an option of allow and redirect. I'll click on allow because I want to allow US to have access to this file. All right, the next country would be like, I'll go ahead and select in Canada. Yes, I want Canada to have access. So there you go. They also have access. Now, if at all I want India to have access, I will go ahead and add India and I'll allow that for Indian to also have access. Now, if you see, if I do not allow India to have access, I will just click on this and I will just save it. Now, India does not have access. I'll show you why, and then we'll later come back and edit this once again. Now, I go ahead and edit the link. Let me see if I can go ahead. This is the link that was created. Now, I'll copy this link and I'll go ahead and paste it in a new tab. It tells me, sorry, access denied. Now, do you know why it says sorry, access denied? Because we did not allow India, we did not allow India to have access to this particular link because we have blocked India in our geolocation. So for that, once again, we would go back and we would like edit this file link when we go to geolocation from the drop down, and I'll go ahead and I'll click on India and I'll say, okay, let us allow India to have access to this. I'll go ahead and edit file link once again. Once I click on edit file link, my file link has been edited all over again. I just need to copy this, open a new tab, paste it here. And here you see, there is the access to me because I am in India and I am trying to open this file. Since you have allowed, you've given the access to me, I can go ahead and open the file. Now, how the other way it works, what we are going to do out here is now we're going to check on the fourth option out here, right beside the link. The fourth option said clone it. You can anytime go ahead and you can clone this. I'll just go ahead and write Chris123 and I would need to upload a file out here even to clone it. So I will go ahead and I'll upload a file saying product and support. Remember, once again, the file limit should not exceed 500 MB. I will go ahead and create this link. Now, once you come here, you remember I had put the file as Chris123. This is another link altogether that has been created, okay, that has been cloned. So remember, any given point of time, you can go ahead and delete this link. You have that option. Now, this is the first link that we had created. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to my Facebook page and I'm going to paste it here. It says fetching data. This is how it's going to look like. It says lnkw.co brand. Now, when I post this, this is the preview that I'm going to see. If you remember in the preview, when we were creating the ad preview, I did go ahead and I selected We've Got Your Back t-shirt, product and support. and this is how it's going to look. So anyone who clicks on this particular link is going to take them to that particular file link that you had uploaded. So this is all about file link. I hope you guys understood this. In case you have any queries, please save it for a later time, and you can always have this query sent to our support team. Thank you. I'll explain to you about other features in a different video.